Hi all, this is Iyajaz Ahmed. I belongs to Andhra Pradesh. I did my graduation in the year of 2019, and after that I joined non-IT sector. But I am very much interested to join in IT sector. I decided to join IT sector and I started searching for the jobs in IT sector. I got to know about eVision TechnoServe from Naukri portal, and I, I contacted the eVision team, and I joined eVision in the month of April. In eVision, I learned so many things like Linux administration, Windows administration, networking basics, and ITIL, which is very much important in IT sector. And the faculty are industry expert. They taught me they trained us very effectively, and it helps me to get a knowledge in so many different technologies. Recently, I got selected in Fedlist technology with the package of 2.52 LPA, and this is all because of eVision. I I want to thank eVision team, admin team and placement team and faculties. Thank you eVision. Thanks.